Hello, learner. Welcome to Learning JMeter Step by Step. My name is Rahul Mishra, and today we are going to see how to create our first script. For testing purpose, I took the JMeter by default the JMeter website. So here first you can either create from scratch or you can use the existing template. So we have a number of options. So you can see we have a build a web test plan. You select it and you can see option of create, and there is a very useful link is provided. You can go through it and see it. But once click on create button, by default you can see the test plan get named as build web test plan, scenarios, listener is already added to see the results. You can add your own different type of listeners. So we have recently already added aggregation report, summary report, and others, and we will discuss in future about those in details. So right now you can see default request. So this is very important. So if you add your basic thing here, so every time you no need to repeat those things. So here if we copy it, the base page, and we are writing those things, and we need to provide the protocols. So you can cut, paste, remove double slash your base or server in server name. You have to base and slash just control X. So this is pretty common for all the pages. That's why it is request default. In home page, no need to mention protocol again and again because you already mentioned in the default. So you need to just mention the rest part. So get HTML and this thing. Think time by default it is provided, but zero is that if you want to add something time, so it is in milliseconds. So if you want to wait for the 2 second assume, so you have to enter this thing. And page returning, so these are the assertion, but right now we are not using it, so just toggle it. And this is basic script is ready. And one important thing is thread group. So number of thread, 5 is there, ramp up is 5 seconds. So total number of thread to took 5 seconds to come in 100%. And duration, we are not running duty, we are running one time only. We are not providing loop infinite time. So whenever you are using duration, you have to select the infinite, otherwise you can mention the values. So save our first script, and by default it is, we can save anywhere as per your, and named as save it. So let's start and see how the thing will work. Home page, we are getting error. So you can see 5 times it's get, but we are getting errors. So you can see there is a assertion is added in home page because we use a template. So that's why right now this is not our domain, so that's why it is getting failed. We are getting, so we need to change the assertion response code, and pattern to match is 200. Save it, clear the results from everywhere, and let's run it again. Now you can see it's run 5 times. Now this is a complete runtime. So this is a first test, and happy testing.